Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download Instagram Reels. To get an Instagram Reel, you can follow two ways: shortcut and application. Let us talk about the shortcut way. Open the shortcut application and there is a helpful shortcut called Yas Download that I have already set up. Now open your Instagram application. Look for the Reel section within the Instagram application. Scroll through the Reel section and pick the video you wish to download. Once you have chosen the Reel, among the various sharing options, scroll down until you see Yas Download and tap on it. Confirm the download by tapping on the download option. The shortcut will initiate the download process. After completion, open your phone's gallery to ensure the video has been successfully downloaded. This is the first method that I have already explained. Now let us move on to the second method. The second option is the repost application. You need to download this application from the App Store for iPhone users or the Play Store for Android users. After that, open your Instagram application. Choose the reel you want to download from your Instagram feed, then tap on the share button. Look for copy link from the sharing options. Return to your device's home screen and launch the repost application. Inside the repost application, tap on Allow Paste to enable pasting of the copied link. If available, tap on the 3 days free option. Follow the on-screen instructions to redeem your free trial. If you continue after the trial, double-click to subscribe and confirm with the side button. The copied video link is usually detected automatically. Tap on it. Within the Repost app, tap on Repost and then Save Video to store the video on your device. Confirm any permissions required by tapping on Allow. Go back to your mobile gallery to confirm that the video has been successfully saved. These detailed steps should guide you through the entire process of downloading Instagram Reels using both the shortcut and repost application. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.